Check it out. We got this Umarex Notos 22 caliber Terminator monthly giveaway. We made some changes to it. We just designed this 4-end grip that attaches to our tactical stock, and it has M-LOK mounting points for an M-LOK bipod, as well as Picatinny rail on the bottom for a Picatinny bipod or a flashlight or a laser or whatever Picatinny attachment you want to use. And then for the next upgrade we put on here, it was this aftermarket side cocking lever, which makes the reloading process in between each shot a lot easier and more ergonomic. We also switched from our decibel moderator to our new HP Hush moderator. If you're interested in this Umarex Notos giveaway build, go check it out on TerminatorIndustries.com.